What's happening, guys? This is Chris Harrington coming at you live from Bonita Springs, Florida. I'm your no-nonsense realtor. You don't have time for BS. I don't either. I've only got solutions. Today I'm going to talk about investing in multifamily units. More and more, I'm starting to meet young professionals who are thinking about maybe leaving the area. They've got some cash saved up. And they want to buy an investment property, and I'm really trying to direct them or open their eyes towards the multifamily opportunities out there. So if you're not familiar, multifamily is like a duplex or a triplex. You got 2 or 3 doors to basically rent. And the benefits of this is, God forbid, you only have one tenant. Oftentimes, just that one door will cover your entire note or your entire cost of ownership for that property. Ideally, we want it full, right? I mean, chances are on this market it is going to be full. But the more doors you can buy for, say, $200,000, $250,000 and pull $1,000 from each one of those, plug those numbers into your mortgage calculator. I mean, you're probably looking at about $1,200, $1,400 worth of taxes, and you're probably going to get at least $1,000 a door. There's some significant cash flow there. Wouldn't it be nice to have cash flow on top of a really good solid guarantee of equity in the next 7, 8, 9, 10 years? And kids go to college, you decide to move, you need cash, you're able to sell that investment property and cash out. That sounds pretty good to me. Give me a ring, 941-740-1742. I'm looking at 17 listings on the MLS right now in Naples, multifamily, under $300,000. Actually, it's a lot, under $289,000. All right, give me a ring. Let's work through some scenarios and see if I can't help you out. 941-740-1742. Again, this is Chris Harrington. No BS, just solutions.